Hi, welcome to the third episode of the Developers Update. I'm Sam Carlson, founder of the Spawn Room, and tonight we're going to be talking about patch version 0.2.2, which was released earlier today. Alright, so you'll probably notice an immediate change to the website. It obviously looks a lot different, but the first thing I wanted to talk about was a conceptual change that kind of happened behind the scenes. So originally I was designing the site around various individual elements that each required their own care and design, like we had the post page and we had player and team pages, when we had show and calendar pages. But with this new patch, I've developed a way to combine everything into one category and then use meta tags to handle all the individual characteristics. And what this means is that the development will be expedited, because rather than focusing on one element at a time, I can now develop across the board. So that'll definitely be a lot nicer. Like I said, obviously there's been some design changes, although this will continue evolving with new patches. And I wanted to make note that I don't really spend a whole lot of time on design for a couple reasons. I'm not a designer, and two, I think programming features and functionality are more important at this stage, but design is something that I definitely want to come back to and make some improvements, because right now it's pretty basic. The RSS Robot, which handles pulling in all the RSS feeds, has been updated to utilize this new system. And I've also removed some sources because there were some ones that just weren't working anymore, and I also added some new ones to the family, so that should be good. If we go to the news page here, you can still see everything's being pulled in, sorted by time, and we're still using the same rating color scheme: blue for positive rated posts, orange for posts that have been marked as important, and then posts that are highly rated and highly important are red. And then if a post is negative, it gets grayed out. And posts that are rated negative but also rated as important, which those have a little black bar, so I guess you can take that as it is. Let's see, if we go to pages, this is new, so now we have most popular submissions for the last 7 days. You can see which posts are being viewed the most, so I think that'll be kind of nice. Let's take a look at an individual page, and you can see that this has been updated as well, although it's not super different. There's the meta information is up here, content is in the middle, the title of the page. Ratings are still here. You can positively, negatively rate it, or you can mark it as important. Meta information is now in this block here, or I should say additional metadata. And comments are at the bottom. So that's that. And then, page submissions can be done here, and in future episodes we're going to be talking about specifically how to submit pages and add meta information. But that's it for this episode, so thanks for tuning in.